warm start. Nothing out of the ordinary, but we're gonna go need to get some gas real quick. What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today. Let me turn on these dome lights real quick. Hopefully you can see me a little bit better. We're on our way to a Northside Movement Meet here. I need to go get some E85, but it should be a good night. Hopefully some crazy stuff happens and we get a good video out of it. Then we might go check out another meet later on. I don't actually know for sure about that one, but we're gonna get on the road, get some gas, get onto the meet. Remember, shopcarsacrosstexas.com, enter the pub, it's 20% off at purchase. Get you a shirt, jacket, hat, whatever, support the channel, support the build. And run these views up, boys. I need the views, and I'll go to HPC and I'll spend all the money and make this thing a pretty nasty little NA build, I think. Just leave me some likes, leave me some comments, share with the boys, and let's get the views back up, and let's get onto the meet. We're having a trunk fitting competition off the bat. We got the Huracan, the man who you cannot hide, the dollar bill. And we got the lady in the Porsche. What in the goddamn fuck is that, brother?
A piece of shit. You said it close.
Alrighty, boys, we have officially made it to the Northside Movement Meet here in the highlighter green at Tennis Ball Camaro. We got the Fast Boy and the Supra pulling up next to us with the beadlocks out back. That looks pretty crazy, my friends. And then this thing sounds pretty good as well. But we're here with some cool cars here. So let's get checking out everything. Remember, let me know what your favorite car in today's video is down in the comments below. Remember, shop Cars Across Texas. And let's get right into it. There we go. A little exhaust work done on the TRD cam. There we go. Next to them we got with the double trouble and the cool performance sedans. Next to the TRD Camry, we got the E63 AMG. Some good old-fashioned German muscle. And then next to them, the totally unsuspecting 1500 horsepower GTR, garage built on a street tire. He's going for the street sleeper look today. The Vossen wheels do look good though. He's still got our triple eights on, so I'm sure on those lower boost maps he's going to get a little bit of traction. But under the hood of the 4.1 stroker motor with the full boost logic setup, looking intimidating. There we go. Ooh, never mind. We got a Trackhawk pulling. This is my boy. This is my boy Eric, and the newly acquired Trackhawk. Hello, hello, my friends. How are y'all? Out here representing?
Yeah.
CDJ Arcady. No, I'm kidding. Hey, wow. We got the diesel Volkswagen wagon. Yes. Incredible. Fantastic. The E63 looking good. What's up, buddy? How are you?
Pretty good.
I love those things. Love them. Bro! Is that a Supra? Oh! That's nice. Needs a little love on the paint, but it's still a Supra, bro. Can't go wrong.
Hey, Taylor.
Looks like we got a little Evo rolling through, too. Congratulations on the new car. Let's see some flames. Flames, yes? Hold on, Travis. We're getting flames. There we go. There was one flame. One flame. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, there we go. There we go. This thing is fucking loud. That sounds good. I like that that Tomball exhaust. Is that a Tomball die? And then we got the M5, M3. I'm dumb, bro. I'm stupid. Wide body M3, that's sick. V2 CTS-V sedan rolling through. This thing is clean as a whistle. It's my boy. I can always tell when it's my boy because he's got like the 0% tint on. Roll some coal, brother. I love it. Incredible.
Okay, carbon.
No game, my kid. This is an S55? Is it? I don't know. It is. That's 6 supercharged V8, German muscle, and a big old luxury body. This thing sounds like a train. What is going on? My boy, he's made it in the Gen 5 Viper. Oh, it's so nice. He's got the new wheels on. Shout out Signature Wheels. He has just got it back from all the craziness he's done to this thing. Oh, brother. So sick. We love it. Ah, you can smell the E in the meth. Bro, they're fighting over here. What in the world's going on? I appreciate it, man. What is going on over here, brother? Bro, they brought gloves to the meet so they could box. Little Asian kid with the Edgar haircut. Oh my God. What in the world? We got more V10 action pulling in. Howdy boys, we got Ellie rolling out in the Gen 5 Viper. Will he give it some beans for the boys? Give her the beans, brother. There we go, brother. Ah yes, the Ronfellow Z06 and the C7 Stingray rolling out. This thing is sick. This thing is so sick. We love a good special edition Z06. We got a little new edge following them out as well. Oh my God, the cam chorus over here. Music to my ears. The boys in the M3's rolling out. All over the road, brother. Damn, brother. The Hellcat. You're in a fattle burnout. Quick, but thick. Well done, my friend. Hey, we got another Hellcat rolling in, and what looks to be Go Mango. Hi, bro! Oh my God, bro! Bro! What are you doing, man? What the hell was that? Oh my God, bro! What was that, brother? Oh my God! Some people shouldn't be trusted with 700 horsepower. Sometimes the big old truck boys get rowdy. Let's see what he got. And he got a Mustang behind him. Oh my God, brother! Little Gen 1 R8 Spider rolling in. I don't think this guy realizes what's going on here. Maybe he does. Probably boys with the Huracan and the other R8 guy. That busted ass Mustang doing a burnout. Oh my God! It sounds so broken. Okay, my friend. Pretty sure that's a manual already too. That's pretty sick. We got the Ferrari wagon rolling through. We got a sheriff over there. Oh, this dude's... Oh, so nice. Alrighty, boys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Lots of crazy shenanigans. That Hellcat almost crashed. He was like a hair of a miscalculation away from either flipping or overcorrecting and hitting the wall. But the boy saved it, luckily, and he lives to see another day with this Hellcat. But lots of cool stuff, lots of burnouts, lots of craziness. Ellie sent it in the Viper for the boys. Remember, shopcarsacrossTexas.com, into the puppet 20% off at your purchase. Get you a shirt, jacket, hat, whatever. Support the channel. Leave me some likes, comments, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share with the boys. Let's get these views back up, and I'll take the Camaro to HPC, spend a whole bunch of money, and make it a whole lot faster. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I'll catch you next one. Peace.